Hey family, welcome back to the Brandon Brews channel. Once again, we are in the kitchen. It is morning time on a Sunday and your boy has to go to work, but before I go to work, I need to cook and make me something to eat. So I'm gonna bring you guys into the kitchen today. I picked up some bacon, which I rarely do. I'm not a big bacon person, but it was on sale. So I was just like, you know what? I'm thinking about making a waffle and then I want some eggs. So bacon goes good with that. So we got us some Jimmy Dean hickory smoked premium bacon, and we are actually going to put it inside the Ninja Crispi. We're going to see how it comes out, and I'm going to let you guys see and walk through with me. Stay tuned. Let's do it. With no delay, if you did see my unboxing video, you did get a chance to see everything that comes with the Ninja Crispi. I still have my stickers on because I keep my stickers on for a little while so I can get used to learning how to use the thing. So far, I will say it is easy cleaning. There's no nicks and crannies inside of it. And this does not come off. This is actually the way you actually carry it. So if you do end up cooking something, like there's even a label that says always use oven mittens when unit is hot. Do not remove handles from containers. So you are not supposed to remove this, but also this is dishwasher safe. The crisper tray does come in and out. For me, I feel like this air fryer is going to be good for not making a big mess. See, if everything is contained in here, I don't have to do another bowl or anything. Like if I had to season something, I can actually season it in here and get ready to cook it in that same pot without having to make multiple dishes. And then also, like, it's supposed to be portable. Now I don't know. Well, I'm not going anywhere. I don't have anywhere to go, so I don't know if I will be taking this with me anywhere. But it is a game changer for those who might want to do it. So with no further ado, let's get ready to do the bacon. All right, people, so anytime I do make bacon at home, I just put it in the Ninja Combi because it just comes out very perfect and right. We did a little prep work. I did get it out, and I actually cut it in half just to give us more pieces because we don't have a big, this isn't a huge platter. So we're just gonna see how many pieces we actually can get on. And we only may be able to get 4 pieces on. So what we may do 4 and then we'll do another set just to see. Bacon does not take long in the air fryer. I usually put my air fryer on for like 6 or 7 minutes. Anything longer than that and you're gonna have like a potato chip. You usually don't want it touching, but I think we'll be okay. We should be okay. So why I chose to do bacon is because I want to see, because you know bacon is pork and it has grease and it's gonna pop. So I want to see how the Ninja Crispi, when it comes to cleaning, what's gonna actually happen and how much grease is gonna get up there. So we're gonna be checking for that. So let's put it on, put it in place. And it comes on automatically, as you see. All right, so we're gonna put it on air fry. Mind you, I did say in the last video, there is no way you can control the temperature. You only are able to change the mode and set the timer. Just to give you a recap, recrisp is 380 to 400 degrees. Bake is 375 to 400 degrees, and air fryer mode is 400 to 425. Max crisp is 425 to 450. And max crisp, they say, is best for frozen favorites. All right, so let's dial it down to 7. And we're gonna be actually paying attention to what it's looking like inside. That's one thing I do like about this air fryer. You are able to see the food as it cooks, just as you are in the Ninja Combi. So let's press start. It always drops the number once it starts. I don't know what that's about, but it always does that. We are down to 1 minute. I'll show the timer. Let you guys see what it's doing. I believe when it gets below the 1 minute, it will start counting down. I think that's what happened in the last video when we did the egg rolls. There was some popping, of course, it's bacon, and it's actually turning out to look good. Yep, it's giving a countdown. So, all right, so you remember it just said 1, so I guess that's that extra minute that we actually seen. So that's a little weird, but when it went down, I guess you still actually did 7 minutes. That's what it was. All right, 3, 2, 1. And it does tell you end, and it gives you the Ninja sound. So I'm gonna take the lid off, and we're just gonna let that bacon cool off for a second without the top being on it. One thing I do like about this pot, you are able to take the top off and actually sit it on a counter because it has feet. And so, like I said, we wanted to see where grease. So there's a small residue at the top I can see. You guys can see that, but it's not dirty. So what I will do after this cools off, I'll give it a nice little wipe, and then that's what I'll do. All right, so let's look at this bacon now. So for me, I don't like my bacon I don't like it chewy. This is like where I want my bacon to be at. So we're gonna plate it just to get it off, just to see how it came out. Like this piece for me is perfect. I like my bacon like just like this. So these are some small pieces. Oh yeah, it really shrinked. I could have put the long side in. I really could have. These are the pieces of bacon that came out. Actually looks good. Doesn't look bad. We did not have to turn it over. They do look evenly cooked. Of course, you have your little fat parts, you know, that happens in bacon, that's pork. So let's look and see what actually came out of it. All right, so you see there is grease at the bottom. So that's what you want. You want the air fryer to take grease out. And as it cooks, like most air fryers have it go into a grease pan. So it's at the bottom of the bowl. I'm gonna put 2 more strips in here. And actually what I'm gonna do is put a full size one in here that I didn't cut, just to see how it shrinks down. And then we're gonna let it go again. In the meantime, let's do a taste test, see what we have. It is crispy. Yeah, it's crispy. I don't like mine extra crispy. I don't want a potato chip. But yeah, it's crispy. It got the job right. So this time, we're actually gonna let this roll, and I'm gonna make me a waffle and some eggs alongside. Hopefully I'll get everything done. And I guess I'll show you how my waffle and my eggs look all together on a plate, and then that'll be the end of this video. So we're gonna put it back on air fryer. Put it to 7 minutes, and we're gonna click start. All right, you all, it is finished. Just want you guys to see what it looks like. We're gonna let that cool down, and we're gonna plate it all at once. So I actually like the bigger piece that came out, so you can put that bigger piece in. Yeah, I like the way that looked. Gonna let the grease get off of those. All right, there you guys have it. We are ready to go. We have our eggs, we have our bacon, and we have our waffle. All right, yeah, I'm about to eat. I'm about to put this camera down, and I gotta make me a cup of coffee. I forgot my coffee. If you have any questions, again, on the Ninja Crispi, let me know, drop them in the comments. The next video, we will be making some chicken wings. I did pick some up from the grocery store. I'm gonna find a good marinade, gonna marinate them, and then we're gonna put them inside. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you step by step. So make sure you actually subscribe so you can see these videos of cooking in the Ninja Crispi. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed.